We have a word problem here where we're asked to only set it up, not actually solve it. This problem is talking about Cookie Shop, which sells three types of cookies: sugar cookies for 50 cents each, chocolate cookies for 75 cents each, and oatmeal raisin cookies for 55 cents each. Sydney buys some of each kind and chooses 5 more chocolate cookies than sugar cookies. She spends $11.95 on each cookie, so how many of each of the cookies does she buy? So first things first, the last sentence asks how many of each type of cookie she buy. So if I was going to solve this, at the end, I would want a number of each type of cookie that she purchased. So those are going to be my 3 variables. So I'm going to say, so that I have what I'm doing, I'm going to use F9, and I'm going to let each one represent the number of cookies that she bought of each of the different types. I'm going to say that the number of sugar cookies she purchases. I'm going to let Y equal the number of chocolate cookies, and I'm going to let Z equal the number of. So it's always a good idea to define your variables. That way, when you're using them in your equations, it kind of gives you some guidance about what you should do with each one. Okay, so this second last sentence gives us 2 important pieces of information. She spends $11.95. That's a total amount of money. And if you look earlier in the problem, they give you the amount of money that each of these types of cookies cost. So what we're going to do is multiply each of the variables times how much that particular cookie costs, and all 3 of those added together will equal the total amount of money, which is 11. So sugar 50 cents times x plus 75 cents for every plus 65 cents for every oatmeal raisin cookie. And if I add up all of that, it should total $11.85. So that's one of my 3 equations. The next piece of information is that she's buying 18 total cookies. So if I add the number of cookies, the number of oatmeal raisin, the total should equal 18. So that's and this is going to look simple. Just adding all the numbers of cookies, and I know the total is going to be 18. So that's equation 2. Equation 3 is we have a that 50 some sugar cookies. So this one, I know that I'm going to be using x and y as variables because those are sugar cookies. But the hard part is how do you set it up? So what I like to do is one is going to be bigger. The one that's going to be bigger is going to be by itself. So it says she buys 5 more chocolate chip cookies than sugar cookies. So she's going to have more chocolate chip cookies. So I'm going to put y by itself. And then on the right side of my equation, I need to show that she's going to get 5 more than she does of the sugar cookies. So sugar cookies, and if I wanted to represent 5 more than that, I could say. And then that would be my third equation. It doesn't say anything about oatmeal raisin cookies, so I don't have to include Z in that last equation. So these equations right here would be how you would set up this system of equations. You do not need to solve it. If you're looking for x, decided you wanted to, to end thing 5, 10 chocolate cookies and oatmeal raisin cookies. And if you look at that last equation down here, if you look at the number of chocolate cookies, it's 10, which is 5 more than the number of sugar cookies. So you can kind of work that way too.